What's up, Telcoin holders? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, my friends, in this video, once again, I'm talking about the Telcoin, the latest price update. My friends, you know what? The people asking questions about Telcoin, that when will the price of Telcoin is going to increase, and is there is a chance to the price increase in the June or not? Keep watch this video for more details, but before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to click the subscribe button and like this video, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the Telcoin in the market is 0.029063 USD dollar. Is the latest price of Telcoin in the market. On the other side, my friends, if we look the price changes of the Telcoin, so the price changes is going wrong. Only the last 1 hour pricing is negative, but the previous changes is completely going in the wrong. The last 1 hour, last one day, the whole changes is going negative, but only the last 1 hour pricing is positive, my friends. So let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding, my friends. My friends, you know what? The Telcoin have a complicated price chart. It's sometimes the price increase, it's sometimes the price decrease. That is the last 1 month, last 30 days price chart of the Telcoin, and you can see here the price is sometimes the price increase, sometimes price decrease. You can see here, but if you look the average level changes occur in the Telcoin, so the average level change is going negative, going fast down, my friends. From the previous last 1 month, the price of Telcoin is fast down. It's been that you are in the lows because the price falls down, not going upward. Anyways, now at this time my prediction about Telcoin is going positive, because I believe that after a fall there is a jump. That is my personal prediction about Telcoin, my friends. And what you think about Telcoin, tell me in the comment box. And my friends, at this time I know the price is change is negative, but you have to hold. If you hold, so you will get a profit, and if you decide to sell on this time, so you are in the loss. And don't do this mistake, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.